everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to online Japanese training. My name is Sarika and in today's video we will learn about some of the reasons that why do you need to learn a new language and why Japanese language in particular. So let's begin. I'll quickly introduce myself. I had started learning Japanese in 2005. Since then, the Japanese culture, the language, its people, and above all the food of Japan is something that has become an integral part of my life. From past couple of years, I have been actively involved in teaching Japanese offline as well as online. As you all are aware, currently we all are dealing with a very tough situation called COVID. So we all are confined to our homes. I'm sure each one will be involved in some activity, that is, people might be working from home, some might be doing some freelancing, youngsters or students might be preparing for their next academic year well in advance. So why not invest some time in learning some new skills? It could be anything. It could be sketching, drawing, painting, learning yoga, learning some business skills. So learning a new language can also be an additional skill for everyone. It can be for any age group, so you are free to learn language any point of time. So let us use this opportunity to learn a new language. As the channel's name suggests, that is online Japanese training. So we are here to guide you through your journey of learning Japanese. So Japanese or any particular language or any new language can be learnt in three different ways. One being a full-time degree course. Second, a short-time certificate course which can be done from small institutes or classes. And the third one, I'm not sure how many people have completely followed the third method and cleared any particular examination. But of course, it can be like an assistance or a support material for studying any new language. That is nothing but the online courses. These three different aspects I will cover in detail in my consecutive videos. In this channel, we will provide you not only with information and guidance with regards to JLPT examination, that is grammar, vocabulary, reading, listening, etc. But apart from it, we'll have some fun videos as well, some fun fact sharing such as the Japanese culture, the food of Japan, then places, etc. that we can have a look at. During the entire series of this video, I'll try and make some short videos on what to do and what not to do when you're in Japan, what foods to try or which places to explore when you're in Japan. So we'll have some fun videos as well. So let's have a look at some of the reasons as to why you should learn a new language. First being, you get to meet new people. As you are all aware, we are all social animals. We love to meet new people, widen our friend circle. So the more languages you learn, you get to meet new people, understand their culture, their habits. So second one is learn about the culture. The more languages you learn, you will know the language of a particular country. You can converse or speak to the natives of that country in their particular language. You'll get a deeper understanding of their culture, of their history, of their lifestyle. Next is something important for the younger generations. Third, that is employers love it. The moment you learn a new language, you are adding a key skill to your resume in addition to your existing academic skills. So definitely the employers are looking at someone who can multitask, who is multilingual. So definitely this is going to help you in grabbing the attention of the employer. Next, being the most important, it's becoming essential. That is, it's definitely becoming the need of the hour. The world is changing. Businesses are extending their reach to individuals all over the world. So it has definitely become very highly essential that we know new languages. It gives you better opportunities for multiple avenues such as business, government jobs, architecture, IT, etc. Travel definitely becomes cheaper and more convenient and easier because since you know the language of that particular country, you can speak to the native people in their language, and hence finding a place, finding the right food to eat becomes much easier. Next being, after learning one language, it becomes 1,000 times easier to learn another. As it is said that one language, when you learn, you are familiar with the grammars and the nuances that are there associated with that language. It gives you the confidence to try and learn other languages as well. Next is something that is interesting. You will become smarter. As it has been scientifically proven that an individual who learns multiple languages is able to make better decisions and multitask and excel at whatever other aspects of their life. It helps boost your creativity. It not only helps boost your creativity but also your confidence levels, thereby helping in your overall personality development as well. It builds up your confidence level. Learning new languages definitely builds your confidence level. It helps you overcome your fears, meet more people and interact with them. And above all, you also tend to get few compliments when you speak to any native person. Now, as we have had a look at some of the reasons why should you learn a new language, let's have a look at some of the reasons on why should you learn Japanese language in particular. First and foremost, provides wider scope for international understanding. As we all know, the relationship between India and Japan have strategic and economic importance. Also, we are all aware that Japan ranks third in the world economy. So, knowing or learning Japanese language will help us in communicating better with the local Japanese people. It will give you a deeper understanding and knowledge about Japan and also about their culture. Thus, learning Japanese will not only give you a better professional value, but it will also open multiple avenues in different fields such as government jobs, business, IT, automobile industry, infrastructure development, etc., where there would possibly be some less competition as well. Because as we know, there are very few people who learn Japanese language, and there are few colleges that teach Japanese language. Next, it prepares you for a better future. As the Asian economy rises, more opportunities for work would be available. And as you all are aware, Japanese language is not that commonly taught in India or studied, such as French, German or Spanish. Hence, if you learn Japanese language, you will not only have better job opportunities in the field of IT, automobile, then business, architecture, etc., but you will have lesser competitions as well. Next is, it helps you understand the Japanese culture better. The Japanese culture is unique and colorful. It's a combination of traditional and modern practices. These traditions, they dictate the way they speak, react, interact and behave. Their younger generations, although might show a modern behavior and dress differently, they still follow the traditions their elders have taught them. Hence, if you learn Japanese language, you will get a better perspective or more deeper knowledge of the Japanese history, their culture, their food, their tradition and so on. Next, you can qualify as an English teacher in Japan. So knowing Japanese language or learning Japanese language can be as a stepping stone for a teaching career in English language in Japan. So you can work as an English teacher in some of the Japanese schools. You can also work for some government organizations as well. And while you are staying in Japan and teaching English, you can still continue to learn Japanese language. Excellent career opportunity as a translator and interpreter. So knowing Japanese language definitely gives you an additional skill. You can work as a translator and interpreter in your own country, as well as you can be an English service provider in Japan. So it gives you multiple opportunities, not only in your own country but also if you move to Japan. Job opportunity in IT, animation and culinary segment. With Japan's growing presence in the world economy, the career opportunities in Japan in various sectors such as IT, animation, manufacturing, business development, etc. are also increasing. Hence, learning Japanese language will definitely help boost your professional value. So I guess that's all for today's session. Thank you for watching my video. If you've liked today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned in for more videos. Also, you can write to me at the email address given below and you can follow me on my Instagram handle as well. Thank you. Arigato.